Okay, what we're gonna do is attempt to remove this steering wheel. Okay, I got the socket in my wrench, and you need about a 21 or 13/16 inch socket, 12 point preferably. You just stick it in the hole. Put it in there. You know I already pre-done it, so to make it a little easier. Turn it. Until you get the bolt off. You don't have to take the whole horn off and all that because it just makes the job harder. I'm just giving you a quick way to do it. Okay. Once you get the bolt out, then you can start removing the steering wheel. Okay, the bolt's out. This is what it looks like. The bolt out. You can replace the bolt. This bolt has its own fastener on it, but you can replace it with a new one if you want. Or use a trick and put silicone on it and reseal the grooves. And next I'll be pulling the steering wheel off. Okay. A few hits on the steering wheel and it should come right off. Ah, there we go. Steering wheel off. Now we'll be removing the cover plate. Yeah. 4 screws down there. You get a trusty Phillips screwdriver to pull it off, and it's coming to play. Once you take the bolts out, it pops right out. The bottom half, top half, we'll be taking that all the way out, and you can see the turn signal switch right here. It's pretty messed up. Mine is broke right here. If you notice right here, this is broke. That's cracked right there. And this piece right here is broke. So I'm going to attempt to take all of this off. I have to take all the wiring off from the back. Take these keys out and get all this out and go to the next phase. There's a bolt right here you might want to loosen. You want to loosen this. And then you want to take all the wiring, all the connectors, take those off first. Take all the connectors off. Once you get the connectors off, there's a little tang back there and you press it. Once you press it, you should be able to remove the switch. This switch, as you can see, is totally broken. Comes right off. Look at that. No good! Yeah, so we're gonna fix it. Alright. Next phase after I take this off. Okay, here's that one little bolt. We're gonna pull this out. You see that? That'll loosen up the little fastener in the back, and then I should be able to pull it off. This is the fastener on that I was explaining to you needs to be taken off. You have to take your finger and press this button. When you press it, it'll unlock the switch and you can pull it off. Here's the bolt that you have to turn out to unloosen it. Okay, let me try to pull this other one off here. Okay, this is what it looks like with it off. You want to disconnect all the little, there's some screwdriver here, all the little connectors. This here got to come off. Take all of these off. This is what it looks like connected. Once you take them off, you can clean it a little bit. And here's the steering column without the steering wheel and the switch on there. Clean everything off and then reassemble it the same way that you took it off. Okay. Here's the switch, the new switch that I'm getting ready to put on there, and I'll put all the wires on there and just assemble it back together. I'm still a little instruction. I'm not the best at it. I'm not good at talking too much, but at least you get an understanding. You want to put white grease in all the little crucial areas. Here. There's a little grease there. That keeps it pretty well lubricated. There you go. Lubricate, little white grease there. Yeah. Keep everything lubricated. Make it easier so it don't break again. Alright.